In the given question, there are two concentric hollow conducting spheres of radius a and b, where b is greater than 1. They contain charges qa and qb respectively. If they are connected by a conducting wire, then we need to find out the final charges on inner and outer sphere and heat produced during this particular process. So, right now we have two concentric conducting spheres, one has radius a, other has radius b, b is greater than a. A charge qa is given to the inner sphere and qb is given to the outer sphere. This is the initial situation. Now it is said that the spheres are connected by a conducting wire. So after connection we need to find charges on the spheres and we need to find heat produced in the spheres during this particular process. So to find out heat produced, first we need to find the initial energy stored, and then after distribution we need to find the energy stored, and the difference of energy will give us the amount of heat produced. So first, initially the energy stored, because of this charge on the sphere qb of radius b, the energy stored will be k qb square by twice of b. Because of charge stored in sphere A, the energy stored is kqa square by 2a. Now because of the interaction between the spheres, we have the interaction energy between the spheres, that is kqa qb by b. So this is the initial energy stored. Now they are connected by a conducting wire. If they are connected by conducting wire, as on conductor charges remains at maximum separation, तो ये QA charge भी बाहर आ जाएगा. QA charge भी बाहर आ जाएगा तो outer sphere पे जो charge है that is QA plus QB, और inner sphere पे charge होगा 0, और due to the flow of this charge QA there will be heat produced. तो first part says उसका आंसर होगा outer sphere पे charge QA plus QB और inner sphere पे charge 0. इस charge distribution के बाद final energy UB, U final is equal to K QA plus QB by 2B is the final energy stored in the spheres. So heat produced, if I write Q to be the amount of heat produced, this is equal to U initial minus U final. तो इनकी वैल्यूज अगर पुट कर दें k qb square by 2b plus k qa square by 2a plus k qa qb by b minus u final k qa plus qb square by 2b. So now here from we can have this to be equal to k qb square by 2b plus k qa square by 2a plus k qa qb by b minus k qa square by 2b minus k qa qb by b minus k qb square by 2b. So here from we can see k qb square by 2b, k qb square by 2b, this is cancelled, k qab qb by b, k qa qb by b is also cancelled. So we are left with k qa square by 2 into 1 by A minus 1 by B. So the amount of heat produced is kQA square by 2 into 1 by A minus 1 by B. So this is the heat produced due to transfer of charge from inner sphere to outer sphere.